If you've been looking for a way to try some of the latest AI video generation models to generate videos for free, then you're going to love today's video. I'll be showing you a platform where you can access Seedance 2.0 and Veo 3.1 Lite. I'll walk you through how it works and share how you can start creating impressive AI videos in just a few minutes. Let's dive in.
Alright guys, so let's go straight to it. First thing I will do now is for me to head over to my Flow. I will be using the app version. So if you don't have the app version of Flow, kindly go and get it and thank me later. So here on my Flow, I'll go ahead and click on new. Okay guys, that reminds me, this video I am making it as though I am talking to professionals. So if you're new in this business, let me know in the comment section so that I can tag you to a video that will help you in the long run. So I'll go ahead and click on new project. I have gone ahead to click on new project. It has brought me to this interface. So the very first thing I'll have to do is for me to generate my image first. So I'll be generating my image before I go ahead to animate it. So now that I'm here, I'll go ahead and click on this image. I'll go ahead and click on it. I have clicked on it. I will ensure that it is under image. I will ensure that it is under 16:9 because I'll be creating a YouTube long form video. So I've gone ahead to put it in 16:9 and I will be using Nano Banana Pro. So at this point, I'll go ahead and minimize. I'll come here to copy my prompt. I have my prompt already written down. I have gone ahead to copy my prompt. I will come here to paste it. If you're not too good with prompts, so before that guys, I'll click on this. I want it to generate 4 at a time for me. I have clicked on it. I'll go ahead and choose 4 times 4 because I want it to generate 4 images for me. So I'll go ahead and click on send. At this point, it is generating. So I wanted to say, if you're not really good with prompting, because as far as faceless content creation is concerned, prompting is number 1. Let me know in the comment section and I will drop the basic things that must contain in all your prompts. The basic things. If you don't have these basic things, the tendency of you getting the results you want is very, very slim. So at this point, my image is here. This is one of it. Okay. So this is, I think I like this one. So I'm gonna head to click on it. I have clicked on it. I'll go ahead and click on these 3 dots you can see up here. I've clicked on the 3 dots. I'll go ahead and click on download. Now it says media downloaded successfully. I'll still go ahead to click on download again because I want to be very, very sure that it is in my gallery. So now that we are done here, let's move over to the platform. So at this point, I'll move over to my Google. Here on my Google, I'll go ahead and type Veo 3 AI video generator. You're typing Veo 3 AI video generator. Now once you type Veo 3 AI video generator, this is the interface it will bring you to. We have other Veo 3. I want you to pay close attention to this one I'm showing you now. You see this one. Can you see this one that has a purple logo? Yes, this is the one I'll be clicking on. I have gone ahead to click on it and at this point it has brought me to this interface. All I will do now is for me to go ahead and click on this. I'll go ahead and click on these 3 horizontal lines at the top right hand side. Now I have gone ahead to click on it. It is telling me to choose a Google account. So I've gone ahead to choose a Google account of my choice. I've chosen the Google account and it is loading. It is done loading. It will now take me to the interface where I will have to generate what I want to. So let me click on it again to confirm if I am logged in. Okay, I think I'm logged in. So at this point, I'll go ahead and click on image to video because we have our image already. So as I click on image to video, it brought me to this interface. This is the interface you should have. This is it here. So at this point, all I will do is for me to go ahead and bring in my prompt. So here it says prompt, you have to describe what you want your video to do or say. So I'll go ahead and minimize. I'll come here, I'll copy my prompt. Ensure you copy the right prompt. I've gone ahead to copy it. I'll come here, then I'll paste my prompt. Now that I've pasted my prompt, I'll go ahead to add my image. So in order for me to add my image, I'll click on click to upload. I have gone ahead to click on click to upload. It has brought me to my gallery. I've gone ahead to choose the image I want to animate. Now if you want to do a story, you may want to add your last frame. So I just want to animate my images one after the other. That's why I'm adding just one. Now after adding your image, if you scroll down to this place where it says settings, you see model. You see model after settings. Now if you go ahead to click on this icon here, you will see the models that are available here. So this platform enables you to generate up to 257 seconds video. That is awesome. So here we have Seedance 1.5 Pro, we have Veo 3.1, we have Veo 3.1 Lite, we have Seedance 2 Mini, we have Seedance 2.0, we have Gemini. Guys, we have lots of models here, clean and all of that. So I'll be using Seedance 1.5. I'll be using Seedance. Here I'll go ahead and choose my aspect ratio. So if you're creating YouTube long form, go with 16:9. If you're creating short form, go with 9:16. I have chosen my aspect ratio. I'll go ahead and choose my duration. I've gone ahead to choose my duration. I'm choosing 8 seconds. You may want to choose 12 seconds. Okay, any duration of your choice, but I prefer you go for 8 seconds. Now looking at the resolution, we have 480, we have 720. Personally, I would love to use 480 so that I won't be charged too much. So this is it, guys. At this point, I'll go ahead and hit generate. Okay guys, let me show you something before I go ahead to hit generate, because I think it is very important. If you click on this model, not all these models are free. I don't want you to feel deceived. I don't want you to feel I didn't tell you everything. Now if you click on it, Seedance 2.0 is not free, but Seedance 1.5 is free. It will enable you to generate 4 seconds video. I know 4 seconds video is just like not generating anything at all. So I think you should use Veo 3.1 Lite. So is it that you use Seedance 2.1? So is it that you use Seedance 1.5 Pro, or you use Veo 3.1 Lite? These are the models that are free here. I hope I am clear. So at this point, let's go ahead with the generation. Now once you choose everything, you see this place is going to highlight. Like right now, I am generating with 8 seconds using Veo 3.1 Lite. So at this point, I'll go ahead and hit generate. Now I've gone ahead to hit generate. Once you hit generate, this interface will pop up. You have to verify first. You have to tick here before you can proceed. If you don't tick it, you won't be able to proceed. So once it is successful, you see up here, it will show in green. it will show in green. I don't know if you saw that. I don't know if you saw that stuff up there. Now, so that is it, guys. If you scroll down, you notice that your video will start generating. Like right now, mine is already generating. So this is it, guys. Now another thing is this. I want you to come and try out this AI tool. If you have questions, leave it in my comment section. Just leave it in my comment section. The resolution is top notch. It is 720p. Okay guys, so at this point our video is ready. If you want to download it, all you have to do is for you to go ahead and click on these three dots here. Once you click on it, you see this download icon. You go ahead and click on the download icon. Once you click on it, it will load, and if you look up here, it has downloaded directly into my gallery. Let me know if you'll be trying this out. Let me know if you love this video. Let me know if you're a newbie. Let me know if you understand everything I'm teaching here. Let me know if you want to create African folktale, if you need AI tools that can literally help you to create from start to finish. Thank you so much. Thank you for watching up to this point. See you guys in my next video, and bye for now.
Copy.